this hair is from Cynosure Hair. As you can see, I received this hair from Cynosure Hair right here. Guys, I so much love this hair. Actually, this is the second time I'm working with this company, and trust me, their hair is superb. It's everything is gorgeous. And this package right here is actually my favorite color, pink. So this is actually nice. So if you all purchase yours, I'm sure you're going to receive this and also some gifts inside. So guys, straight to this gorgeous hair here. So guys, this hair is from Cynosure here, and it's in length 24 inches, and it came in density 220. Oh my god, this density is everything. Can you see? Like, it's this hair in question is so full and very thick. I love this hair. In fact, this hair I'm just going to try this week because I haven't received such density like this. It's thick, the texture is soft, it's not dry, it's very natural, 100% natural human hair. And guys, if in case you want to purchase or you have some questions, you can check down below for some info or some details to this hair company. And trust me, they have other gorgeous hair. They have in straight, they have in coily, they have in body wave. Just name it what you want, that's what you're going to get. So this is how this gorgeous hair looks like. This is actually a body wave hair, and I just, you know, when you receive your hair, your body wave hair, the coils aren't going to be the same. So I just wanted something, you know, something different and classy. So I just decided to recoil it back a little bit to bring that bouncy, as you can see, this bouncy coils here. And it came out so perfectly because this hair is so good. Because if you don't have good hair, you can't coil or straighten your hair. You can easily just damage your hair. So this is how this hair looks like at the back. And I hope you guys can see these coils. Like, it's so beautiful. So guys, this hair, from the beginning I said this hair is 24 inches, so don't forget. And also a very nice good hair. I didn't do so much because it came pre-plucked. Yeah, earlier you saw me pre-plucked because I wanted it a bit, you know, I wanted it a bit, the side part to show a bit, and the baby coil also. I didn't do baby coil because I wanted it natural. Like, I wanted to show to you guys like you can rock it without a baby hair. So guys, if in case you love this video, you like this hair and you want to purchase it, yes, you can click in the description box down below and you get details to this hair and to this company. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, and also check my Instagram at WIG丨Syling, and also don't forget to check Cynosure Instagram, Facebook, I guess, maybe their WhatsApp, email, everything will be down below. So guys, let me know what you think. And as for me, I am loving this hair. Like, it bounces so well. This is so nice. Like, no tangling, no shedding, no bad smell. It smells perfectly good. So guys, yeah, we all love something good. We all want something nice. So I advise you all to go get this, and it's super affordable, guys. So guys, click down below. Don't wait, don't even waste your time. Just click, and you are good to go. Thank you guys for being part of me today, and I will see you guys in my next video.